Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, January 16. Let's start with Bitcoin as usual. But first, morning, Stefan. Good morning. Good morning, Andrei. Good morning, Gideon. Good morning, people. Nice to see Bitcoin fighting 100k again. Yeah. A range, it's a range. We can stay here for longer, but let's see what we have. Well, you can see on my chart, if I'll zoom out, well, we have pump chaser zone. Someone said yesterday in a live stream, well, it's possible for Bitcoin to touch 80k easily. I don't see why not. It's possible for Bitcoin to touch 69, 70k? Yep. A retracement in the long reload zone is nothing bad. Not even in a strong bull market. Usually the market is rejecting from 38.2. This time, if you consider this low and this high, we didn't even touch 38.2. We are still in this range. Morning, Shogun. Where are the people who said, well, Bitcoin will go to, I don't know, 50k, or the bull market is over, or everything is over here? And this week, just look at it now. Best opportunity to buy. And people with, technically they should have some experience. They told you to panic sell here. Come on. Anyway, now if you consider, now at this point in time, if you consider that the bull market is over, please go and exit. But not in the dip, not in the fear, not when the market is dropping like a hammer. No. Now after the bounce, if you consider, well, the bull market is over, I want to exit, well, okay, you can do that. Bitcoin is testing 100k, well, you are assuming that will fail and will go back down, please exit if you want. But not when the market is dropping like a hammer. Here, or here. And I will give you some examples because I said about that. Let's take a look at last time. Well, let's go and look at what we had last time. If you consider that the market is topped out here, where was the best opportunity to exit? People, just look at it. You had the pump, well, everyone was bullish. You had the dump, everyone was panicking here. Okay, this time recovered and made a new high. Well, that's safe. Again and again. But where was the best opportunity to exit? In the dump or in the pump? This was a dead cat bounce. You can see a retrace or a short reload zone. Best opportunity was here. Best opportunity was here. Best opportunity was here. Not in the dump. So when you see everyone panicking, put your hands under your ass, close everything and come back tomorrow or 2 days. And you will see the market is bouncing. Even here the market bounced at some point in time. You can see we dumped here, we bounced. We dumped, we bounced. That's how the market is working. So panic selling is just stupid. Let's go back on what we have today. Similar here, people. If you consider the market is done and bull market is over, I don't think so, but if you consider, okay, exit. I don't want to hear you next time panic selling or even asking, well, I should sell. No. If you don't want to buy, wait for a bounce to exit. That's the same thing on every chart. And altcoins will do that soon enough. Now, this is the chart overall. Let's see the other template with levels. Okay, what do we have here? Same range, dark maul candle. What dark maul candle did for us was just to give us some levels to watch. So we have this high, we have this low, and you can see they are well respected. In the same time, we have 100k level, which is a big round number, and market is fighting, like we discussed weeks ago. The market is fighting on higher time frame to accept above that level. We are accepting, we are rejecting, and so on. And you can see now we are exactly at that level. What we can do here? Well, on Bitcoin, honestly, I think I should stay the fuck out. On higher time frame. On lower time frame, I could hunt long ideas with Holy Grail. I could short with Shark if I consider this high. Or I could wait for higher levels to hunt a short idea. Nothing else I can do. But for the moment, on daily chart, 100k level is not a level you want to buy or to sell. You just want to leave it alone to see what happens. Okay, so that's daily on Bitcoin. You can see here on this template I have the swing high, the all-time high, and the swing low. So overall on higher time frame, the short reload zone is here, 104 to 101. On a lower time frame, I'm thinking this low, this high, and this low. Yeah. So we have a short reload zone here, and we shorted with Shark. We are at entry for the moment, mostly to hedge our spot portfolio because I'm even more bullish than Moon Boys. I just need to see market level by level. Now, when the market will push here, if we'll push here 104, 106, don't FOMO buy. Just imagine FOMO selling here and FOMO buying here. Come on. That's why I'm saying over and over again, learn to trade like a professional. Learn to trade the range. Well, the trend is most profitable. Yeah, but I could make more money in a range. Why? The range is 70% of the time. And the game is not so hard. You just need to put your emotions away and trade against your emotions. That's the hard part on the range game. Because, okay, on the trend, you know, well, we have a retracement, it's a strong trend, let's buy, let's make money. But in a range, everyone is feeling some fear here, and everyone feeling some FOMO here, including me. I have to force myself to respect my plan. Okay, that's daily on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Not too many things we can say about Ethereum on daily. You can see it's weaker than Bitcoin, okay. It's still in this 3,000, 3,900 or 4,000 range, a big one. We completed AB equals CD to the downside. Now let's just wait. If we take the entire range from the 2,100 until the highs, we are kind of in the middle here. I think hunting long ideas on Ethereum with Holy Grail on, I don't know, 1 hour, 5, 50-minute chart is not bad. But on daily, I don't have a set. No W, nothing, just a kind of a V bottom here. Hopefully we'll do better. Bitcoin dominance? Well, still orange scenario here. Let's see if we'll accept below 57 and if we'll push lower. Like I said multiple times, I consider this one a range. If we'll break to the upside or to the downside, let's wait for the market to tell us that. Yeah, Andre, don't be the public. That's the idea. Because this game is not as nice as we think or we like to think. This game we play on the market, it's ugly and ruthless. Andre, imagine you bought at the dip and you are selling at the top and you are making money from other people that they put their hopes in that top that will go 10 times higher. And maybe some of them, they will be broke and they will not have something to eat for the next month. Imagine that. And you are happy. You are making money. You are happy. You are celebrating. And the other guy who lost the money is not feeling so happy. Okay? So, call it whatever you want. Consider how you want. But at least understand the game. And understand what we are doing here. It's not It's not that simple. Yeah, it doesn't matter what time frame you are using, Andre. The same thing. You're taking money from the public, so don't be the public. Well, it doesn't matter when you buy, Andre. When you sell at the top, hopefully you'll sell at the top. You are taking money from the public. Doesn't matter how you put it. It's the same game. So some people will say, well, I don't want to play that game. Don't do it. If you play, at least understand what you are doing. Don't trick yourself. So, yeah, we are good traders. We are good investors. We are making money. But in the same time, we are taking money exactly like banks, like BlackRock, like everyone does. We are hating them, but we are doing the same thing like them. Don't imagine that you are taking money from BlackRock, or don't imagine that you are taking money from banks. Yeah. Just let's be clear with that. Yeah? It's an ugly game we are playing here. Okay, Bitcoin dominance, like I said, range, we don't know, up or down. Let's wait. Market will tell us. I hope for the downside. That's why I have this worry scenario. I think we can still, the probabilities are 55-60% on the downside. But red scenario is still in the books. You can see we are still at this level. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Same message here in the long reload zone on daily. Huh? Don't be bearish here. If you'll zoom out, you'll see you have the 78.6 from the entire range. So I don't think it's a good area to think short. And that's why I don't recommend to even think about shorting Ethereum. Because it's oversold against Bitcoin anyway. It's underperforming from a long time. Why do you want to beat a dead horse? It's dead already. Yeah, you can squeeze a little drop of profit here, but the big chunk of profit is on the other side. It's thinking long on Ethereum now. So you don't want to position yourself with your back at the profit. Okay, so don't short here. Don't think short. Think long. Okay. We talked about this one. Let's see total. But on total market cap, not too many things I could say. It's a range. We are fighting and we are holding above 3 trillion. I'm more than bullish. And yeah, like Andrei said, hit that like button. Hit the like, share. Subscribe if you are not already. Total market cap, nothing to complain about. Total 3 similar, like we are saying every time from some weeks. It's fighting 1 trillion. And if we'll accept above 1.1 and we'll close above, then okay, we know that we have the chance to go to 1.5, 2 trillion and so on. So that's the overview here. About Capwa 1, more places are booked. If you want to take a place, we'll start in 2 weeks. Okay, if you want your place to be booked, DM me and do the payment. 20 places in total, and we have more than 15 already booked. I want people that they are consistent and they are watching us and they really want to learn to join this program. Okay, now let's go back on here we have the coins we talked about too many times already. On higher time frame we have some fields, and you can see for today not too many of them are with green. We had a nice bounce and now we are consolidating all of them. Just take a look at this one. We bounced and now we are consolidating. You don't want the market to go straight up. You want the market to form a W here on daily chart, no? And then to push higher. Maybe we can find even some setups on them. I think that's the best. If you'll find that we have a damn nice location, if you'll find a W on from 4 hours to 1 day, and we can frame some setups, well, that will be even better, because in a setup, the window of risk is smaller than in the investment. The position size is bigger, so you can make some money. No? Faster, more money, and so on. So I'll not talk about this one. Let's go straight to Bitcoin on lower time frame. 1 hour. I said swing high, swing low, short reload zone, white line. You know I love my white line here at 99,600. And we are fighting that level. I put the shark already in, so I'm short. If the market will collapse, well, at least I have a short. Will compensate a little bit on the spot portfolio. What I could think here? Well, I could think short. We are already short. If the market will come back down, first area is pump chaser zone, and look left. We have support here now. At 95, now we have some support. 96, 95. If we'll form a W here, you can see the message, yes. Hunter long idea with a clear W. If the market will not form a clear W or will form a W and that W will fail, then we go to the next level. And that level is Mountain Man, okay. And we can play a Mountain Man setup. If this one will fail, for example, we'll play with 0.5. If this one will fail, then we'll activate the shark, the last one. And we take Mountain Man with 0.5 and shark with 1%. This is a combo I'm playing, Mountain Man and shark. Please don't be the guy who is asking why we are doing that and if it's profitable. Do the math and find out. Overall, looking at how I see the market, yeah, we can consolidate, but at the same time, we can push higher. So, seeing me doing something like this, I don't think it's nothing bad here. Yeah? Let's hide the ink, let's hide the drawings. Yeah, you can see. Holy Grail is active. If you want to play longs here, it's an ugly level, 100. Could do dark maul candles, could take your stop loss pretty easily. But if you want to hunt long ideas here, I think Holy Grail on 5-minute chart is the best, or 50-minute chart if you want to keep it safer. So 50-minute chart will give you an entry here at 99,500, and your stop loss should be a 98. Well, not the best window of risk, but acceptable. Is keeping your stop loss far away. And if the market will push to 104, 105, 107, I think you'll be more than happy to trail your profit up. So yeah, we can trade to the upside, and I see the market is in an uptrend here on 5, 15, 1 hour chart. You can see higher highs and higher lows. Let's keep it simple, people. Market is doing on lower time frame higher highs and higher lows. We have an uptrend. If we have a trend, we can use Holy Grail. Simple as that. Okay? So, if you are a premium member or a VIP member, take your Holy Grail because you have access and start playing if you want. Well, maybe you don't like Bitcoin. Let's see from this list which one has an uptrend with Holy Grail. Well, Dimension has. Ethereum has one. FET has an uptrend. ING has a nice one. This one has, well, doesn't respect too much. Maybe you should stay on 1 hour on this one. Saga has a nice one. Secret has a nice one. Solana has a really nice one. Tao even, uglier on Tao. Something started on TIA. Even ES has an uptrend. Look at it. So everything looks kind of similar. Look at Ripple. We discussed Ripple when was here in this area. Remember that. I said Ripple is strong. Anyway, so we can play on 50-minute chart with Holy Grail. If you don't have access, well, you should be at least a premium member to give you access. VIPs and premium members have access. If you do Capua 1, you'll get lifetime access on this one. If you do Capua 2, the same. You'll get lifetime access on the Holy Grail. Otherwise, you cannot access it because we are not selling it. It's for our community. I made it for myself. Nice indicator, nice algo to keep me in the trend. And you can see you have to be long, you have your entry, your stop loss, your position size even. Where you should enter, where you should put your stop loss, some alarms, so you can set an alarm every time you'll get an entry. Is made by myself, for myself, and I'm offering as a bonus for our premium community. Okay, now let's hide the Holy Grail for the moment. Let's put back 1 hour chart and let's see what we can get on Ethereum, for example. Let's see, we have something. I was hoping here for a Dalai Lama, something like this. We had something here, this W, but was in the news. We had the news yesterday. I saw it happening. I said if we'll retest, okay, but you can see no retest. Well, we are pushing up, and we hit overnight. We just hit Mountain Man short. We did an M here and we broke down a little bit. You can trade on the long side with Holy Grail if you really want, or you can wait as something like this. Because we have an M, we can consider this one on lower time frame. We can consider a swing high. Yeah, we have an M, that's a top, local top. Let's put a long reload zone. Well, I don't know if the market will go all the way down here. No, we have to accept below this one. So the first step should be pump chaser zone in this case. And look at it. Can you see the confluences here? So if Ethereum will come back down on 1 hour, 50-minute chart in the pump chaser zone and we'll do a nice W. Something like this. Let's adjust this one. Then okay, I'm okay with taking a long here. Using the 3-step setup or the general setup with pump chaser zone as a location. Okay, so I think we can play around with Ethereum. Here, only Holy Grail. And there are better charts with Holy Grail, I showed you. There are better charts on 15-minute chart than Ethereum. Bitcoin and some altcoins here, they are looking a lot better. That's Ethereum. Let's take a look at Solana because we talked about Solana. Classic SFU here. Just look at it. Classic SFU here. If you took this W here or you took a trade here, you are the best. I took it, but I'm not the best. I'm just following my plan. I'm a stupid trader. I took it, I closed it at 3-1 and next bus. Now, it's hard to convince me to enter long here. Similar as Ethereum. Why? Well, first of all, if I take this high and this low, we are in a short reload zone. Let's do that. Let's see where we are. First of all, we have to find the location. And let's put a short one. There you go. We are at 61.8 short. So you cannot convince me here to think long. To think short, neither, because we are in a bull market. But I need a better location than a short reload zone, that's for sure. Now, let's find some confluences. And you can see if the market will aim out and will go back down here. Look at, let's do something. I'll show you a little bit different view. Extend left. You can see some support here. Starting from here, you can see some support at pump chaser zone. You think it's a good location in this case to think long if the market will push there at that level? Yeah, Stefan on VIP, yeah, I know. VIP are making money. I said in the, I think was a free live stream. I don't remember, but I think was a free live stream for everyone where I said, I'll buy the dip, I'll buy that ESFU on Bitcoin, and then I said, I'll hunt Dalai Lama on altcoins. Well, on lower time frame was a Dalai Lama here, and I took it, and I made money. But you have to know what a Dalai Lama is, how to play it, and in general, people, they need more education, not more money, to know what to do in the market and how to do it. And they don't, and they assume that they need more signals. Well, actually, they need more education. So, we made nice money on this dump. I don't know. Show me, please, show me another community on Discord or on Twitter that said, buy that fucking dip. Buy it on weekly chart, buy it on Bitcoin, buy it on Ethereum, buy everything because it's a fake out. It's a deviation or fake out. Please show me another community. Everyone, or 90%, let's not say that they are the only one, but 90% of the people, well, I saw big accounts saying, well, I want to find a reason to think, to shield, to put some FOMO in, but I don't find any. Well, you are stupid then. You are at the bottom of the range. What fucking reason you need more than that? Just tell people that you are at the bottom of the range and you should play the range. You are at the bottom, you should think long. Or wait for a deviation. Wait for the liquidity to be swept. What more reason you need? And now they are starting to come out and say, well, you bought the dip, Anon? Well, some of them, they'll delete their tweets and so on. Anyway, that's a different story. Now, pump chaser zone here on Solana, I think is the best to wait. If you are more bullish and you are thinking, well, I don't think we'll stop here, Paul. I think we'll push higher. I will not contradict you. Why? Because we took this level and we are making higher highs and higher lows on lower time frame. That means we are in a low time frame uptrend. When the uptrend will stop, why I should care? I should play the market. I should play that uptrend. Depending on the time frame, yeah, even here you can play along. I recommend to think long here. Big fat round number 200. Let it accept and then retest. And you know my deal. But if you really want, Holy Grail is the solution. Okay. What I should look now? I love this one. I really like this one. On 4-hour chart, let's call it. This one could do power of 3 here. Stefan is probably watching this one already. So Stefan, I think this is a good proxy for a power of 3. We have a W, small one W here, a big ugly one there, and we accepted above this level and now we are retesting it. This one, I think even with Holy Grail on 50-minute chart looks nice. Let's see. Let's just see. Yeah. I have an entry even here with Holy Grail. Well, you know what? I'll take this one with the stop loss below this week low, so here. Something like this. It's in the entry zone for me. You can see you have the entry here. So here I could take this one on 50-minute chart. Something like this, people. And take profit, I don't need a fixed take profit. I could trail. But as an idea, I like this one. Or you can wait for a better dip, or you can wait for Stefan to post a power of 3 and so on. But I like it and I'll take it. Let's see if we have requests. Why not? WIF. Sayed, what do you want me? What time frame you want on WIF? Please, when you put a request or a question in the chat, please tell me. Well, look at WIF weekly chart, or as an investor, or as a day trader. Asraf, I'm not shorting nothing, not even XRP. Short entry, when you see, is not time for short ideas. In my view. You can short and you can make money. It's up to you. Let's look at WIF. Good location. Let's look at weekly. We discussed this one. This entire thing is a big range. This is the bottom of the range, if you consider this one a big range. You can see up and down, up and down. Nice location here below 78.6, 88.6 in play. So weekly chart, yeah, we have something. OBV looks nice. Let's go on daily. Well, on daily it looks similar with everything else. Good location. You don't have a W yet, but will probably form a W here. And if you see a daily W, that's something you should buy. Just be smart and don't be a noob and don't put your stop loss in the middle of the W. Put your stop loss here. Okay? If will form a W. Because a W will probably look something like this. Something like this. Okay, so we'll break down, we'll test the 61.8 on lower time frame here. That will be the trader's trade. A smart day trader could buy that level, that retracement. Then we'll break out, we'll confirm the big W, people will FOMO, then market will retest, as usual, the neckline of the W, and this is the last entry and you can push higher. Here, look left on daily, look left, you have some resistance. You don't really want to buy. If you'll accept and you want to play a power of 3, okay. On higher time frame, it's investable. It's damn good location. On daily chart, I think you should wait for a clear W here. On 4-hour chart, you had a W here, ugly. Again, look left, and you have resistance here. Hope for a retracement here at this level, here, and that will be your entry, even on 4-hour chart. Here on 4-hour chart, you can wait for a proper W, smaller one, and that will be the best entry possible. Something like that. If you want a clear location, you can wait for the pump to finish and draw a pump chaser zone, or I think a long reload zone. It's doable here. Sorry, 1 second. There you go. So at 61.8 you can play Stefan setup, which is a simple way to see the market. Entry at 61.8, stop loss all the way down here if you want. Or you can, if you are a day trader, you can hunt a WD. Hope that helps. That there are potential plays you can do on WIF. Okay, hope that helps. I don't see more requests. I see Robert saying W on hash bar. Let's see, just as a let's go on daily. Let's see what we have. Binance. Let's try this one. Well, this is a bot setup, Robert. I'm not saying it's not possible. It's a bot setup, aggressive one, but it's there. AB equals CD setup, as we love to play here. We call it AB equals CD setup, and you can see we accepted below 33, so we have all we need. We will clone this one. And then, but it's daily chart, you have to understand that. This is the low, okay. Bot 2, I think, yeah. This is our entry. This is our stop loss. This is our take profit or higher, okay. Or if you want to outsmart the market, I have a favorite setup. I'm not talking too much about that one because I'm focusing on too many things. But one of my favorite setups is bot setup with an LJ. When you have both of them, and you get the first W here in the other side of the trend line. So if the market will retrace and will do a W, you take that W, and the target is here. So yeah, but I could see a continuation. This is a continuation setup. AB equals D. Call it whatever you want. If you are a TRIer, you'll say it's a bot setup. If you are not a TRIer, you'll say it's an AB equals CD move. But you can see move up, consolidating, and it's breaking out, forming some W's. So yeah, the target is here, the short-term target, daily, and 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month. If you'll zoom out on weekly, for example, well, actually, that is damn strong, and is getting, if we'll hit that level, we'll go to the all-time high, and price discovery after that. Well, in price discovery, please set some targets if you can. Yeah, we can do that with house levels. Let's do that. This is a big W, okay? So I could consider this okay for house levels. There you go. So first target is here. The second and the realistic one, it's just above the all-time high. And then look at the extension. We can go higher and higher. But for the moment, let's focus on 4-hour daily chart. And if you want to play the bot setup, why not? It's a setup and it's there. But put a stop loss here. If the market will accept below, all your W's here will be M's. And you don't want to be in that market anymore. Yeah, Jade. Let's take a look. It's the last one. Jade request is the last one. And then we can call it a... Well, you have more history? Anywhere else? Maxi maybe? KuCoin? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Is the same one? You cannot chase something like this here. With a trade, maybe. But it's in the short reload zone, Jade. Is the same one? I think it is. It's not okay to chase it there, Jade. Assuming that is the next, Sui, I don't see why you should do that. If you are long already, hold it, because yeah, it can push higher. For a new setup, where the fuck you put your stop loss? That's the problem. Where you put your stop loss? You should put your stop loss all the way down. And if you are a day trader, okay, take Holy Grail, and probably it's one of the best to play with Holy Grail on 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Okay, let's put the Holy Grail, and there you go. 15 minutes. Okay, Holy Grail, look at it. Well, soon enough you'll have access on Holy Grail, Jade. Yeah? And take it here, stop loss here, play around. But it's a setup. It's not an investment. On setups where you play with leverage, when your stop loss is touched, get the fuck out. No if, not but, not nothing. No exception. If you are not doing that, when you see yourself doing removing stop loss or not respecting a stop loss, punish yourself 1 full week break. Trust me, you deserve that. 1 full week you are not allowed to even look at the charts. Punish yourself like that, and you'll see your temptation to fuck around with stop loss will disappear in time. Because that mistake I was just talking about will destroy your account multiple times. And this message is not for Jade. It's in general for all members, including me, because in the beginning I did including this mistake. Okay? What the fuck happened? Anyway, that's the last request. Yeah, sometimes yeah, but you need Abdul, you need only one that will not reverse and will go close to zero or will go straight down and could liquidate your account. What the fuck you are doing in the market if you are assuming that risk? Yeah? If you don't have a stop loss or you remove your stop loss, your risk is the entire account. If your risk is entire account, you are not a trader, you are a gambler. Imagine yourself in a casino just pulling the lever over and over again. If you consider you want to be an investor or a trader, respect the fucking plan and respect the risk management. If you remove the stop loss or you are fucking around with stop loss, no business to be here. I could guarantee if you do that mistake, you still do that mistake, that you'll lose your entire account. And I could guarantee that you already lost 1, 2, 3 accounts already. Because sometimes will reverse. That stop loss is there to protect you, is not against you. That's why you have the stop loss. Stop loss is your best friend. Okay, so if you are still fucking around the stop loss, punish yourself with 1 week break, total break, and you'll see that taste will disappear in time. I said the last one, Dennis. Okay. I'll do daily. Good location as an investor, that's for sure. Some W is trying to form here, but I don't see a clear W. As an investor, if you zoom out, yeah, good location to invest. If you consider this one a good project. I don't know. I'm not impressed by OBV, I'm not impressed about RSI, even if I'll put weekly. No. I'm not impressed at all. But if you consider this one a good buy, you can start dollar cost averaging here. I don't see a proper weekly double here. You can see this one looked like one, but actually took the low here. So you need more consolidation on this one and a proper double. Could be the best one, but not ready yet. The next weekly W will do the trick. If you are convinced that this is a good project, you can dollar cost average here. If you know how to dollar cost average properly, because a lot of people don't know, then you can do dollar cost average strategy. It's one of the best. Yeah? People don't know the power of dollar cost averaging. People don't know how to dollar cost average properly, and they say, well, dollar cost average. Well, I'll give you an example. Miku is using mostly dollar cost averaging. He's using Road to Financial Freedom. What? He's most profitable on dollar cost averaging one. But he's doing it properly. Yeah? He's respecting the fucking plan. Okay, that was the last one. Let's go back on lower time frame. I'll go on VIP with Stefan. Because people, that's my job and I need to make some money. Okay, we blabbed away more than half an hour here, actually 45 minutes, which is a bit too much. I need to go and trade and make some money for today. See you people tomorrow morning on the same live stream, or if you are premium, see you in the New York session. Bye bye.